Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the reading pane in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to customize your reading pane and choose the layout that best suits your reading style and preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Look for the settings icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down within the settings menu until you find the reading pane section. Step 4. Here, you can select the reading pane setting that you prefer. Gmail offers options like no split, vertical split, and horizontal split. Choose the layout that suits you best. By following these easy steps, you can easily change the reading pane in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to have a more personalized and efficient email reading experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy customizing your reading pane in Gmail on your PC.